Hello, friends. We always try to bring something different in home decor, and today we tried to bring a collection of uh, pictures of townhouses of London, and we tried to collect the pictures from different houses and from different parts of the houses. There are entryways that how they are decorated, and different living rooms of townhouses of London, and hallways, and the ceiling and ceiling decor, and the wall decor of the townhouses of London, and and the whole living room, and the type of culture it is presenting, or the type of art it is presenting. It's almost more or less the same type of arts and the lavish settings and the type of furniture is used. This all seems same in townhouses of the types of lamps used, and the types of chandeliers, and the beautiful wooden tables, and specifically their beautiful wooden doors and windows. The aspect of home being airy, and the fireplace. And this is also an important part of our townhouse of London, and the hallways, and stairs, and a specific part or remarkable feature is the fireplace and the side chair beside it, as we often watch in movies too, and the beautiful and beautifully decorated entryways with wooden consoles and mirrors and frames, and a lavishly decorated dining room, and a spacious kitchen, and lovely created bedrooms where fresh light and sunlight can go. The types of sculptures and the types of art on walls, and we tried to collect the pictures which truly shows the inner culture and material culture of the townhouses of London, and we tried to capture pictures of the bedroom, living room, drawing room, dining room, entryways, hallways, stairs, so you can have a view of the material culture inside townhouses. And so if you like our content, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.